So, welcome to another video. Frameless car door windows, sehr schön. They are so beautiful and they make the car look so sporty. But do you know there's a real risk of these ones cracking in the winter? Because when you close them, you see here, they go underneath the rubber. But if there's moisture, and now it's snowing, and every time a little bit of moisture coming in, every time that moisture builds up here under the rubber, and at one point of time, when it's really cold or when there's ice rain, this freezes up. And then there is a risk that this thing won't come down anymore, and that when it comes down and you try to open the car, that it breaks the glass. Let me show you a very clever tip, and very fast, how you can avoid this from happening and save yourself thousands of euros. Sehr schön. So, and the solution is very simple. Yeah, if you've been watching some of my other videos, you know I like to use this Sonax GummiPfleger. First you shake the product well. Yeah. And I really like this GummiPfleger, because if you hold it upside down, it has this nice angle here that allows you to really get exactly where you need to go. So you hold it down and you press it a little bit, and then you put it exactly here where your glass meets the rubber. Don't need to use too much of it, but make sure it shines a little bit so you know the product is there, and let it air dry a little bit. Put that basically everywhere where your glass and your door meet the car. And even if your glass gets a little bit fat, I would say it's still better than it shattering in the winter. You can correct that in the spring. And don't forget also to do this rear side, rear passenger side. And don't forget also the luggage compartment, so that doesn't get stuck and you can open it whenever you want. Sehr schön. So, I hope you found this a nice video. Let me know if you treat your frameless car door windows in the winter and whether you use a product like this. Follow me for more videos, and I wish you safe winter driving. See you in the next videos. Auf Wiedersehen.